Alright, so today's recipe is for a chocolate vanilla rum checkerboard cakes. Look at these. Two beautiful ones. Very, very simple, very easy to make, and absolutely delicious. Packed for a flavor. I hope you guys give them a shot. Look at these. Let me chop one up for you. Look at these beauties. They smell fantastic. They're tender. They're just a wonderful thing. I hope you guys give them a shot. Stay tuned for the recipe. Welcome to my Simple Honest Kitchen. So let's get started with a checkerboard cake. So over here in this we'll need two bowls. You might as well get started to preheat your oven at 350. This goes quick. So in this bowl, this is going to be the vanilla layer. I got a cup of heavy cream at room temperature, and over here I got 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, room temperature. So to that, let's add the flavorings first. Okay, so the vanilla layer is going to get 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'll put that there. Perfect. And this is going to be a very flavorful, very tender, beautiful cake. And then in the chocolate version, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of rum extract. There we go. Okay. So to that, we're going to add what we got here, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, just regular granulated sugar in each version. Alright, 1 egg, a whole egg in each version. So lucky egg, check that out, double yolk. Put that in there. And 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. I got canola oil. It doesn't have any taste to it, which is what you want. This recipe has no butter. Okay, so we got that. And for the chocolate layer, what I did is I heated up 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. So that'll be the remaining 1/4 cup for this one. With 2 ounces of dark chocolate. So what you do, just heat it up on the microwave till it kind of starts bubbling. Probably takes about 30 seconds. You want it nice and hot, and then you put your chocolate in there, let it be for about a minute or so, and then just start mixing it. It'll start coming together in no time. So just dump that in there. Okay, and you want to either use 2 whisks if you got them, or use one and start maybe with the vanilla one first and then transfer over. But anyways, we got 2 of them, so just mix it very well till everything is incorporated. Just about like so. You don't have to go nuts with it, just to incorporate everything. This thing the same for the chocolate version. Just like so. And then in each one of these, for the flour, we're gonna add, so I got over here 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just dump it in there, both of them. Okay, perfect. And start mixing. You want to incorporate it nice and good. See, it's coming together really easy. Just mix it together till you don't see any lumps in it. And then you're done. And that's basically it. So over here I got 2 pans. This makes 2 beautiful loaves, which I greased with a stick of butter. Just run a stick of butter all over, run your fingers around. And then instead of flour, I put granulated sugar to flour the 2 pans. So this next step, you're gonna get yourself 2 spoons. And what I do, just alternate. Take a spoonful of the vanilla and a spoonful of the chocolate. Then when you're at this step, you just go the opposite way, like on top of the vanilla, you put a spoonful of chocolate and repeat till you're done, till you run out of all the good stuff. Okay, so this is it. Now you're gonna bake them at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. Every oven's a little different. Test it after about half an hour. Put a barbecue skewer through the middle. If it comes out clean, it's done. I'll show you guys what it looks like when they're done. Okay, so here are our cakes. They came out of the oven about an hour ago. When you pull them out, let them rest in the loaf pans for about 10 minutes before you gently tilt them out. Came out wonderful. They're done. Beautiful. Look at that. I hope you guys give them a shot. Please check out my other videos, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them below. The whole recipe is down below, so if you guys want to try them, it's really worth trying. It's really, really wonderful recipe. Thank you. Hope to see you again next week.